back to my channel. If you're new here, my name's Kristen and I post DIY, lifestyle, and shop with me videos every week. If you like all of those things, please consider subscribing to my channel and hit that little notification bell so you don't miss a future video. This week, we are going to be making this awesome crystal moon mirror. Guys, look at how cool this is. It came out so great. I'm so obsessed with it. The original idea actually came from Pinterest. I don't know who this person is. If anybody does, leave a comment below. I took that inspiration, and when I was actually at Five Below, I found the moon mirror. The moon mirror, you can get it at Five Below for only $5, guys. If I can find it on their website, I'll leave a link in the description below. And then you can just go onto either Etsy or eBay and purchase a couple bags of the amethyst crystals. I recommend getting at least 2 bags, but you might want to get 3 because all of the crystals are kind of different sizes, and I had to break some of mine in half in order for them to fit perfectly. But guys, I am so obsessed with this. It was so cheap and easy to make. You only need 3 things and that's it. It was so easy and it looks so good. Before we get started, if you aren't doing so already, please head over to my Instagram and check me out. My tag is at HelloKristenTV. I'm always posting my DIYs on my Instagram stories, all of my shopping adventures, my home decor stuff, so definitely go over there and check me out. Again, that's at HelloKristenTV. Without further ado, let's get started. So I started this project using the Loctite glue, but found that it was too thin and runny and the crystals just weren't sticking to the mirror. So I switched over to the E6000 glue, which you'll see in a little bit. Don't use Loctite, just go straight for the E6000. First, wipe down the moon mirror and start with a fresh, clean surface. I also recommend washing your crystals under some running water to get any dirt and dust off of them. You can also sage your crystals if you're into that. So I washed the mirror, I washed the crystals, I saged the crystals, and I'm going to start laying out the crystals on the mirror so we can get an idea of where we should place them. So after laying them out, I always have the purple part of the amethyst sticking outwards and the white part inwards, and then it's smaller on the inside, so it kind of helps you get that crescent or like that round shape with it. And you can see we just had enough. So I'm almost out, and I feel like if I just am able to crack this one in half, it would be like the perfect size. So I don't know how it's gonna turn out, but I'm gonna try and see if I can take a hammer and somehow crack this exactly in half. So my E6000 glue came out the back and on my hands, so I guess I'm gonna dip them. So I have a big glob of stuff here, and I'm taking the crystals and dunking it in there and then putting it onto the moon mirror. So I'll put this over here so you can see it. I'm sorry it's not very pretty. So the mirror has 2 hanging hooks, so you can make the moon crescent face to the right or to the left depending on which way you hang it. And here is the final project. It looks so good hanging on my wall next to these floating shelves. I couldn't believe how quick and easy this project was. If you try this project, be sure to tag me on Instagram at HelloKristenTV. Let me know in the comments if you like this video and if you'd like to see a video on my entire crystal collection, because if you're interested, I will definitely make one soon. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit that little notification bell so you don't miss a future video. Until next time.